Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to integrate your WooCommerce store with Xero. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the platform from where we are using our WooCommerce store. Most often it's going to be WordPress. So if you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from here we can get started with accessing our website. And if you have not already set up your WooCommerce store, you can do so by going into the plugin section right here and setting up your WooCommerce extensions that you need to use the store. Once you've set that up and your store is set up, we can get started with adding the Xero extension. So what we're going to do is go to the official WooCommerce website. Go to WooCommerce.com right here, and once you open it up, what we want to do is go ahead and open up the extensions tab right here at the top of the screen. This is going to go ahead and open up this marketplace where we can find all the extensions we can use for our store. And what we're going to do is use the search bar right here in the upper right corner. In the search bar, we are going to search for Xero. As you can see, once you search for Xero, this is going to be the result. You can see the Xero extension, which is going to enable you to save time with automated sync between WooCommerce and your Xero account. So here you can go and select the billing option that you want to use. You have the 1-year plan or the 2-year plan, and just like that, you can buy the extension. Once you buy it, you can go ahead and open up the extension and follow the steps to go ahead and integrate it directly with your WooCommerce store that you have set up right here, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.